Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to download and install any apps on my Windows 11. Press on to start menu. Search here to Microsoft Store. Just open your Microsoft Store. Then you can get search option. Search here any apps like Roblox. Just press on and I'm get install option. Press on to install. And another like Facebook. Press enter. I'm get Facebook. Press on and showing it to install option. Press on to install. Now it's installing. It's complete 100%. Then successfully download and install. That's it.